We will put forward at least a 15% reservation for women in the GEMS portal. Alanti programs foundation level lo women businesses entrepreneurship ku paiki teesukochedi oka mukyamainadi ivala nenu oka personal experience ga oka good wishes toni మీ అందరికి good wishes తెలుపుతున్నాను, success కోరుతున్నాను. ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ we create a special data bank and share that with your organization so that the benefit of all these schemes, nenu Nirmala Sitharaman garito maatladina Smriti Irani tanu vastundi ippudu next month she will be coming to Hyderabad. Aa program lo meer andaru paalgoni tanaku oka representation ga meer tappukunte iyali. I feel she will come back in power and come back in women's, and therefore andaram you must do more for each other. And the power of the network, oka chaala mukyamaina saying undi, Justice Ginsburg tan annadi, lead and lead in a manner that other people can see your light and use your light so that they can move forward also. So meer andaru oka deepam, meer andaru oka light, a light munduku raavali, a light toni benefit kavali. Prati corporate lo, ma corporate lo naithe 57% women, and the women on the board, repu ma board meeting undi, we have more women than men on the board. Ilanti examples, ilanti proliferation ravala. Ivanni meeku actually telusu. I wish you success in your business, but life lo kuda oka balance, oka santosham undali. So I'm wishing you one more thing, one very thing which I think has been the biggest help for me. And I wish you a supportive spouse.
Thank you.
A spouse who understands your capability, who supports your capability, who shares the responsibility in the house, and who always says, "Nu mundu kellu, nu cheyagalugutavu, nenu unnanu." And I share this specially because I want to give credit to my father and also to my spouse. Konda Vishweshwar Reddy has been an example of empowerment, of liberal-minded thinking, and supported me in every initiative. I believe and I wish that all of you achieve the success that you dream of in life, that you make the world a better place through your life, and that you have happiness. Happiness with your children, your family, your business, your spouse, and you spread this message through society. My last message is that women-led organizations are the ones that leave the best impact on society. They are environmentally conscious, they are supportive of their employees, they make profit, but they make profit with a philosophy and a justice. So may more women-led organizations grow the economy of India. We are at number 5 position. Under the great leadership we have, we will grow to 4 and 3 and number 1, and I want all of you to make that economy happen. All the best to all of you. Good luck to your organization. I will continue to be a support.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Happy women make happy economies. So I say women should inspire from happy women like Sangeeta ma'am, who has really balanced so many things in life and set an example. Of course, FICCI should come to districts also, madam. That is what I wish. FICCI is not restricted to Hyderabad or a global panel. One day. Yes. Collaborations. That's what we called our past V-Hubs also. Collaborate with local women. Policymakers, intellectuals, thinkers should be on the board when you say women empowerment. Unfortunately, mana women empowerment hub ni IT sector lo pettaru. Maybe they thought women were robots to be operated with software. Kindly correct that. Remove it from the IT sector. Remove women hub from the IT ministry. And put on board 50% Telangana industrialists, entrepreneurs, intellectuals into the panel and vote for the CEO or the chairman through Telangana women, and then talk about women empowerment. Women ministry ki ivala, women ministries ki, finance ministries ki powers levu. So many women, madam annatuga equality ki 150 years aithe nenu aganu. 15 months lo any government ikkada 15 districts nana unite chesi, madam, I submit to you that I will take up a challenge of 100 Telangana women industrialist leaders to be with G20. That is what should be the capability and status of women of Telangana. Thank you, ma'am, once again for re-inspiring us.
And I'm going to ask you to take up that challenge, and I will make sure that through FICCI and Flow that we can do that. I also think that if you want to start another hub, let one office be there, you make your energy more powerful through 20 other offices. Don't worry about where this is. You create your own and keep growing. But we will continue to strive, because the success is there in using the policy, using the energy, using the funds which are available, and using the strength which you all have each other. So forget whatever happened in the past. Look forward to a bright future. That is really my message to all of you.